Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Telegram and you will click here in this page. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.